This is our judge's swivel chair with mahogany frame, rotates through 360 degrees, handmade in our English workshop. The cushion is fully removable. It's fixed in there with Velcro. You can see made in England, made in our English workshop. You can actually unzip the cushion and change the foam if necessary. Goes back in like that. Shown here in our most popular antique rust colour. Really very nice. If you sit in it like that, I'm 1.80 m and 95 kilos, so this is a big chair. The handle here, if you pull the handle out, you can rock like that. If you push the handle in, it stops rocking. If you pull the handle up, the chair goes up and down. As I say, I'm 1.80 m and 95 kilos. This is a big chair, but you can sit there all day in front of your computer typing away. Really superb. Handmade, in stock, ready for quick delivery. Thank you.